Hello once again, everybody. Jay Hoofy here. Got another unboxing and review. This is your USB condenser microphone, the BM-858. These can be had on eBay for under 40 bucks shipped, and they often come in this manufacturer, this brand name, Ray Jr., excuse me. Mine is unbranded, get a little bit cheaper that way. Windscreen, pop filter, USB cable, desk tripod with your mic mount, desktop mount for your boom arm, a metal shock mount, and then of course your BM-858 with echo control, volume control, headphone jack, and a mute button on it. Very convenient. I think echo's nonsense, but whatever. I will take a listen and give you my opinion next. Okay, so right now you are listening to a BM-858. Hopefully not too loud since I'm holding it right under my face. But after listening to several recordings that I did with it, acoustic, guitar, voice, I am very pleased. Very pleased with the sound. It is full, and it is just good quality. I was afraid that it wouldn't be, but I'm impressed. Good USB microphone. I give it an 8 out of 10. Good value for the money, so pick one up if you're in need of one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Catch you next time.